Okay, so I have to put on the accompaniment on. Now it's on, and I choose the style ballad. I want ballads to slow things down. Okay, and I want epic ballad. Okay, I'm going to the tempo, so I put on the synchronized start. It means to say that once I push on the chords, then the organ and the style will automatically play. So here we go. C. Let's put it on top on the tempo. C minor. D. D minor. Just put down the middle finger. E. E minor. F. F minor. G. G minor. A. A minor. B chords. B minor. Now here's the shortcut. C. F. So I just move this one. It's already F. Because this one, these fingers is also this key. F, shortcut. C. G. It's also a G. D. And when I move down one, this is already F sharp minor. F sharp minor. See? The same sounds. Or here. And when I go down, it's B minor. B minor. When we move this one here, it's D. Davao. D. B minor. These are relative chords. And when I move up, it's B. B. D minor. B. Or this one also. B. B minor. Okay, it may sound complicated, but slowly and slowly you'll be able to play that one.